Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the bobbin size and loading it. This matters because wrong fit causes jams. Wind, thread smoothly and leave a 2-3 cm tail, then seat the bobbin into the case according to its arrow or groove. Once the bobbin sits correctly, pull the thread through the tension spring or slot until it clicks and feels snug. This sets the feed rate. Make sure the bobbin spins freely when you turn the handwheel. If not, you continue by bringing the top thread down to catch the bobbin. Lower the needle, then lift it to engage the hook. Hold the top thread with your left hand and turn the handwheel toward you slowly. You'll see a loop of bobbin thread appear. Once you see the loop, pull both threads gently to draw the bobbin thread up and out of the case. Make sure both threads run under the presser foot and extend 5-10 cm to the back. You finish by lowering the presser foot and sewing a few test stitches on scrap fabric to verify tension and feed. If stitches skip or thread bunches, stop and recheck bobbin orientation and thread path. Often the bobbin is backwards or not seated. Once done, clean lint from the bobbin area, debris alters tension, and rethread the top and bobbin if problems persist. If issues continue, replace the needle or bobbin. Worn parts often cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.